it is.
Wakes up. Falls out of bed.
I was gonna say, I get stuck in the room.
What the? Riley? Riley, you alright? What the?
Yeah, I'm good.
Anyways, grab some cereal. Grab some milk. Grab a bowl.
Red mac and cheese on.
Get some.
In the oven for 20 seconds.
What kind of cereal did I just grab? Oh, Halloween Apple Jacks. Eats.
And breakfast cooks. It's finished. Okay.
Oh, totally.
Eats. Everyone's garage door.
Hey, that's my job. This is my house.
Okay.
Alright, so we got out your square body. My GMC is totally still there. And then we got my square body. So let's see if they don't fall apart. Luckily yours is still a thing. That's kind of surprising. Alright, I gotta try to beat the garage door.
Do you have like teenagers come to your house every night and destroy your vehicles or what?
No. They only do that to the Mustang. Alright.
Mustang.
That was close. Huh? What?
Who's Mustang? Who's Mustang?
Mine. The red duct tape mobile.
Oh, okay.
I forgot where I put it. I think it's over there.
See that the bumper fell off?
Dang it.
It wasn't like
Grab
that
some
the
zip
other day.
ties. Zip ties it back on. There. Alright, let's get a cold start on the square.
There's a lot of people running away from the house.
Yeah, they all beat up my Fords because they're Fords. So, they don't beat up my Chevys because they're too good to look at. But they see the Fords and they've got to kill it.
Yeah.
So, if Bryson ever brings his truck around here, it's game over for him.
Yeah, I mean,
let's get a cold start.
Cold start!
And I gotta go with some Chevy's in Play-Doh.
3. Surprisingly enough, this thing is actually fast now for some reason.
Today, I got something big happening.
I don't even know what I'm doing today.
I know what I'm doing. It's something you won't be able to see, but...
Hey, yo, you almost hit my C-1500, man.
Come to my... See if you put your blinker on to get out of here. I'm gonna go to mine so I can...
Bro, I turned on my blinker to get out of my mud.
It's fun now? Yes, no, good.
I don't even feel like stopping. I just got, like, a lot of speed. 45, 50. It only takes actually a little while to get up to 50. Like, it's not that bad, to be honest. Wait. Oh. But sadly, this thing can't get up a hill good.
Oh, yeah. I got showing you copy. Yeah, I said it like that. Literally. See, it's for DMC still there. So, like, I'm not like, you guys, the thing I'm getting to my house is invisible, but it's gonna be really cool.
Cuts off road.
Same, the same. Really hit chases through peanuts.
Where do you go?
Into the main road.
Ways to my old house. What the?
Cross into the main?
Fail roleplays. Red light, no cop, no stop.
There's still nothing around. Oh well.
I'm going almost top speed. Hitting 90. Okay, yep. It's time to slow it on down. I really need to get these, like, lights redone. Take this thing to the shop, get them redone, because they're all horrible.
Can you get with my square, buddy? You don't know where I'm getting today.
No.
Don't.
Like, I actually don't.
Yeah. Involve sees the crane driving up the road to my house. Yeah. Sees the big truck driving up the road with all the parts. So, do you want me to tell you what I'm building today?
What are you building?
I'm building a big garage at the back of my house.
You're building a garage out in the backyard of your house?
Like a big shed, like a storage unit.
Oh. I'm so close to ramming into you.
Is this a road? I can't quite see.
No, it's not.
Nearly hits a truck. Oh,
You know,
no.
I just realized this thing has never been in dirt before. That's gonna change today.
I mean, to my house. It's already not cluttered, but then if I ever buy new vehicles, I'm on the road. Okay, so shows Chase a massive concrete slab. Yeah.
Oopsies.
So, yeah, we're putting it up. So he's gonna put walls up around me, and I'm stuck inside.
What the?
See, they finally put the garage doors in. Opens them. Pops
What
out. Okay. They do it so quickly somehow. They're like the best in town. They finally put the roof on. That was super quick.
Yeah, that was weird.
Yeah.
There's like easy transitions in this game. I mean,
Well, I
yo,
mean, I've
look,
been
it's
doing
the chickies that killed me. Grab shotgun.
Don't kill my chickens. Don't kill my chickens.
They killed me. See, they're trying to kill you. Ow.
Look how cute he is.
Grab shotgun. Riley, don't.
Hi.
Ow.
We don't do this again.
Let's, what should we go do now?
Let's garage door buttons.
Those are some interesting sounds.
Okay, so I'm planning to do like projects in here and stuff instead of doing it on the dirt and stuff. So if I buy some cars, like, but I want to store, I can just store them in here. Instead of having to buy a storage unit. Anyways, the one thing that I didn't do is put the driveway in. Does it myself. Lays driveway down to my driveway. Okay. But good.
No, I just realized we can do something. But we gotta go all the way to my house. So,
Don't tell me. What do you want? Do you want to be?
so what we have to do, we're going to go drop off my 6.0 at Track Planet and get my Bel Air back.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna hop in my daily.
Here, you know what?
Yes,
So we gotta go to
daily.
my house. I'll drop this thing off, and then I'll hop into the 6.0.
Daily, yeah.
Then we'll go all the way to Truck Planet, and then I'll trade for my Bel Air back. What are you doing? Please don't cut me off like you always did. Off-roading a little won't hurt the square, I think. I was going top speed. This thing was shaking a little. Yo, yo, yo!
I'm getting cutting off in my daily. Car drifts. And that's like the biggest. Bro, my car just shifted and did the biggest suspension flex.
Oh, sees.
It's fine, it's a daily.
This thing was pretty caked in dirt. Whoa.
Yes. Dang! Ah. Why are my lights on? It's only 3 p.m. Anyways, I'm like, yeah, we're gonna do the yeah. I say yeah a lot. Continues my journey, my fantastic journey. Run the yellow light, right down red as I drove through it, so I couldn't help but to run a red light. These little square body. Fail roleplay, so I can do that.
Here's what just happened.
Yeah. Big fingers. Nothing.
I feel like the lake was expanded a little.
Chase run a red light.
Oh, I was looking behind me. Sorry.
But
I'll take the back way.
But I don't. I hit it.
On's that Drac Planet owner, so then they're ready.
Bro, I hit a tree and this thing's red.
Hold on! The road that I'm on is named Nuclear Road. You've got to be kidding me. Nuclear Road. Doesn't stop at stop sign. Thompson Road. Thompson. Whatever.
I see you're red too. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait at Truck Planet. Wait, is it Truck Planet or Joe's?
Track Planet.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait there.
Alright.
Maybe. Actually.
Dang, it's already sunset. 4:56, that's... Alright, oh, what the? Well, that was weird. Right here. Alright, let's see if it'll even start. Riley?
Turn.
What the? Who is
What?
that?
Who's what?
There's a little red car at my house. Oh. Oh, it's Alex.
Did we call him? Call him? What's it? What should I say?
It's a small little red car that's like wide. It looks weird, but like it's real small. And it drifts real good.
Oh, that thing. Somehow
Is that unlimited?
No.
Fills up a jerry can. $116.
Sometimes this camera.
You know what? We'll pick up my Bel Air another day. I'm just going to
Alright, I'm gonna pick one of these up. Can we disconnect again?
I'm jumping out. Oh! He didn't even jump it. Oh, he's going to do the second one.
Wait, I'm gonna have to come.
Why? I'm coming right back now.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to pick one of those up.
Opens up gas cap, puts fuel in, closes.
Wait, space.
Alright, starts truck. Somebody started.
What truck are you in at the moment?
The 6-0. Just got hit by Alex. This thing's suspension actually sucks.
I was back into his truck and listening to country music.
Actually, I'm gonna take that way.
Yeah, V switches to the
Dude, I like. Oh crap, bro! I missed my turn. I like never ever take this thing up to top speed because like I barely even drive it.
That makes sense. Oh, what you done? Oh, where's this guy? He's late. He's late. Where's this guy? Baby, going top speed right now.
Hello?
Yeah. Oh, come back inside.
Little man? Pulls fire alarm.
Wait.
Where's
the guy? Oh my gosh.
Bro, where's the Yo. Hey. I brought my 6-0 here. It's a Ford. I brought it here for you to restore it because I have other things on my mind right now that I need to do. So I need you to just restore it. I'll let you have it for a whole entire like 2 months. So fix it while you can. Hands the keys. Gives $1 million. Alright.
Yeah. So what are you doing? Picking up a Bel Air?
No. I'm just picking up my XJ because I left it here for some reason. My Bel Air is still under construction.
Oh, okay.
Well, let's look at the 6-0.
Guy goes away.
Alright. Where should we head to?
Let's head to the deal and pick up one of those small little things. Should we pick up them?
Yeah.
I'm just gonna.
Bro, my blinkers are turning on by themselves. That's kind of creepy. Like, I'm being serious. Out of roleplay. They're turning on by themselves.
Yeah.
Dude, I honestly don't like this. Is my XJ haunted? I think my XJ might actually be haunted. The blinkers are turning on by themselves.
That's the automatic blinkers.
Dude, the blinkers are not wanting me to go the right way.
Yeah.
Dude, the blinkers are actually like turning on by themselves. I wish I could show, but I can't. There's no way I can.
Toyota Camry. It's got 721 miles.
XJ. Alright, now I'm at Riley's house. I'll just park my car right here. I'm going to bed right here. Good night.